So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cameron. Today is chicken coop day. So if you saw the previous video, I purchased a chicken coop on Amazon and it was just a whole mess. Chicken coop wasn't all that. The delivery all got all screwed up. So I went up to Tractor Supply and I got the Sentinel chicken coop, and I believe just touching it is far superior quality. So let's put it together. You better turn that music off. They'll be saying it's not, I'm not allowed to. Alright, so everything is numbered, all the panels, which is going to make my life a lot easier. The guy who puts these together for Tractor Supply can do them in 2 hours. So my guess is it's going to take me about 3. Good, clear and precise instructions. I like that. So we build the next nesting box first. Number 1 and 2. Okay, let's get some stuff out of the box. And that's part of this, I know. So let me put that up there. So we're looking for number 1 and number 2. That's number 13. We're way off on you. I'm really happy with the build quality. I am. Compared to the other one I touched, build quality on this is far superior. Number 14. Number 8. I love the fact that we've got a little air vent in the top. Yeah, it's a good solid design, this, and it's heavy. It weighs, weight of this box is 160 pounds. That's significant. So number 15. So the other one was all wood. This one is made out of steel with wooden inserts. Okay, that's the other side. Something. Yeah, this is going to last a while. I am. Although the wood has been painted. That could be what I'm looking for. Yep, that's number 1. Although the wood has been stained, I am going to give it an extra coat. So that's number 1, and I'm looking for now number 2. That's number 21. We've got a bit to go. Where's the number? Number 20. That's better. A little bit of oh, that looks technical. Number 2. Okay. Number 1, number 2. So using M6 30 bolts. Got to be them big ones. Yeah. Oh, we've got writing on the bag. Just a warning not to eat the bag. You've got to do that nowadays because people are a bit dumb. I know, it's insanity. So with bolt number 26, make sure the bottom of each panel is aligned properly. I've still got some weight in that box. Yeah, hope it's falling apart. So number 2 and number 1, and the peak is going away from the edge. So that's got that wrong. That goes like that. And that goes on that side, and that's threaded. Okay. And the most bolts of these ones, it's got to be them ones, and it's a Phillips head. I did bring both electric and hand. I think I'm going to use electric. Fits perfectly. I'm happy, much happier with this quality product than the other. Now I'm not going to be moving this at all. Oh yeah, this is the nesting box, isn't it? I'm not going to be moving this at all, so I've tightened them bolts up just to tight. I haven't nipped them. There's no need. That's nice and solid. So my plan is to turn that upside down. I haven't got a picture. My plan is to have the nesting box here, so that potentially we don't even have to open that gate to get the eggs. We can just walk around the side here and get them. So that is the position, I believe. But let's figure 2, connect panel 3 to the other side. And there it is, right there. It's exactly the same, just the other side of it. Put them in a little bit till you've got them both in. Okay, nice and solid. Oh, it's going together great. Step number 3. attach number 4, which is one of the roofs. My photo right there. So the coop itself is completely off the ground. The interior part completely off the ground. Let me look at that. So attach number 4. So I've got that the wrong way around. That needs to be like that. Right. And then number 4 is on this side. That's that way on. This is that side one. So that goes like that. What bolt is it? Okay, that goes onto the front like that. M6 45. Gotta be them big ones. How many bolts is there? What I don't want to do is use the wrong bolt and then have to take it apart. But I'm guessing based on there's only 2 types. It's got to be those longer ones. I don't believe this one would get all the way through. No. Okay. It is the longer. There's only two types of bolts. There's a long one and a shorter one. So for this it's the long one. And it's a nut, so I'm going to need something to hold it with, and I brought vice grips, which is it's a locking nut, so these will work fine. And here's the 2, one on top, one on the bottom. Yeah, I've put a lot of stuff together in my life. Build quality on this is pretty good so far. Everything's lining up without me having to touch anything. To reach that. Can't reach it. See if I can get it with the. See if I can get it with this one. Can't reach. Some of it's a two-man job. Unless, no, it's too heavy to do that. I'll get Julie to give me a hand quickly. Alright, so I'm just not long enough in the arm to get these. That's it. And then there's one on the other side, darling. Oh. So it goes exactly the same way on the front there. And I'll get the bolts. No, wrong one, Cameron. That one. Let me swap place with you. Pretty fancy locks on them. They're proof.
Okay.
All right, bottom.
I
know. I just need a little bit of room to manipulate. You ready?
Ready? Nope.
Top one. Alrighty, I think keep your phone close by, but I think for now I don't actually need you.
Do you have to treat this?
I am going to. It's treated, that's stain.
Oh.
I'm going to do it again.
Okay.
Alright, so that's step 3 and 4 done. We're on to the nesting box support bar, which is number 7. Must still be in the box. That looks like that's obviously the roof. Number 7, there you are. There's 2. There's 2. Alright. Step. You don't miss a step. Nope. Clean tray support. Fit the 2-piece nesting box support number 6 and number 7. And number 6. 2 pieces, long bolts and nuts. Nope. That's number 7. Which is that side. So there must be number 6s at the back there. Them 2, and then the 7s are at the front. Okay. So 6s are in the next nesting box, which go obviously better at the bottom. There. And there. And it's M6 times 45 bolts. I think that's the long one, isn't it? Yeah, it's the long ones. So, bottom here. There. And there. And these are threaded. So let's start one on side. Start it by hand. Got you. Okay. So again, there's my number 6 on. There it is. I'll start it by hand. Yeah, it's solid. I'm having to really work. Yeah. So I'm going to slacken off them last bolts to give me some, so I can manipulate it a little. I'm only going to have to do it on one side. Because it's tight. Okay. if I've got it. I ain't got it. I think I might have it now. Alright, we got it. Tight. I'll do that, Cameron. So I had to just slacken off them last bolts just to give me a little bit more. Just to give me a little bit more it was a little tight. Okay, so now we put in number 7. So it's telling me that these ones are the shorter ones, I believe. Pretty sure. Let's take one out and see. See if this fits. No. That doesn't fill. Need to read it again, don't I? It's not long enough, that bolt. So 25, 26, 25. It's telling me that 26, 26, 26, 25. Why? Not longer than that? Yeah, that's longer. I wonder if it's that one. No. Okay, I'm missing something. 2-piece necking box, spot number 6s, and then 7 goes there. There's no doubt in my mind that that goes back into there. They're way shorter than other bolts. Oh, that's the wrong one. Duh. Get it together, camera. well. I think it might have it. Yeah, we got it. Alright, so number 7's one goes there. Now then, this is where the longer bolt, I believe, will work. Shorter bolt, sorry. Yeah, that's the one. Because I'm only going through one piece of equipment here. Okay, yeah. Please swap them out. Okay, so the short bolts, when it's only going through one piece, the short bolts are for the back one. And then when it comes to two pieces of the equipment here, that's where the long bolt is needed. So then back to the long ones I can take out, and they're probably required somewhere else. Yeah. So them two hand ones need to be swapped out for these shorter ones. Alright, let's do that now and then I've done it. That's my head. Right. Now this is probably important because those longer bolts are going to be required somewhere else. So hold the bar level. So double check this side. Alrighty, so number 7's with it's the internal number 7 short bolt. My guess is the long bolts for when we connect this to something else. Yeah, if I was a betting man, that's what I'd be betting on. So centre, well, not centre, but number 7. Get them started by hand. number 7, which is right there. Wow, that's tight. This is going to be a really sturdy chicken coop. Just an FYI, right now this is on sale, $100 off, $400 coop. We're selling it right now for $2.99. Okay, so 6s and 7s. On to number 8. Insert the clean out tray. It's got to be that. Oh, no, oh, okay. This goes in from this side here. Insert slot on the right side. Okay, yeah. Didn't know there was a difference. And then the chicken roosting place, the roosting bar. Roosting bar? Roosting bar? Oh, man, I'm trying to get it. Insert the clean out tray through the slot on the right panel of the coop. Check. I missed this step. Nesting box floor on the top of number 6, and that's number 8. There. Make it around that other side.